Hey guys, just doing a marinade here of tenderloin tips. I'm going to be testing this today, and you know, beautiful tips, tenderloin. I'm getting them for $6 a pound, which is a great price. And so, to give you the secret marinade, and we'll give you an update. Okay, so I have a fresh garlic, I have some cracked pepper, I have a little bit of tenderizer, Adolph's, I have some bourbon in there, I have some Cabernet Sauvignon, I have a little Worcestershire soy sauce, low sodium soy, guys. I have some fresh onion, I have some celery powder, and I have some brown sugar. Remember, always taste your marinade. Make sure it's okay. You don't want it overwhelming. I don't put a lot of sugar in because I'm going to be sautéing these in a pan and serving them up with a choice of sauce and a choice of spice level. But you know, my customers are going to dictate the outcome. But beautiful, no preservatives. You know, a simple marinated recipe. So, hey guys, I'll let you know. Maybe you want to give it a try on a steak, and yeah, let this sit for at least a half hour. Overnight's better, and go from there. All right, guys, look at that beautiful steak tip. Thank you, guys.